conversation when you spend your time with me. You're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation when you spend your time with me. You're speaking my love language.
早安，现在是早上的11:23，同事去吃饭。他昨天临时约在那个本町附近的一个公园附近的餐厅，等一下带你去看看。现在在下雨，而且还有点冷。
借りてただけですか？
嬉しい。もう甘酢だれかかってるんですけど、よかったらマヨネーズもお好みでつけて召し上が
はい、
りください。
わかりました。
はーい。
太ってる。
念願のカルデ。在一间咖啡厅，然后我跟我同事来喝咖啡，然后吃点心。然后刚刚我们去的店是一个，就是我同事的朋友开的店，就是有很多各国料理，什么港式啊，什么中华料理啊，什么什么都有。吃的是那个港式粥的，好好吃哦，里面还可以加皮蛋。去完之后，我现在就是来一间那个我同事他们有推荐的咖啡厅，就是他们晚上都会练bar，就是会来喝酒那种。现在因为corona就不提供酒类，所以我们中午就来喝咖啡，然后吃一个鹿乳。加美。现在要回家里，刚跟同事吃完饭，然后现在趁着雨已经停了，赶快回家，要去搭电车的。
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation when you spend your time with me.
天气超好。
Talk to me. We don't need a translation when you spend your time with me. You're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present instead afraid of giving me presents. You're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page.
家具店、家具屋さん。おお。お、行ってみる？あ、このライトも可愛いんだね。真夏みたい。
真夏もっと40度とかなってるから。
Love language, love language. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language, love language. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like.
新口味抹茶的。
To enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? But there's not to say that I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways that I'll be